A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So let's start today video analysis. Today is 28 November and let's together check all the situation of market. So from yesterday the market is not enough in power. It's going down and we check together how is the real situation. So we start with the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is in a retracement. We can't say it in downtrend because downtrend start when the price cross the cloud and the both lines, yellow and blue, cross also the cloud downside. So this is just a retracement, not a downtrend. And as we can see now, the last candle start breaking the yellow line, and if it close upper than yellow line today, then I think it's going up, and this is a signal that the main capital move now in Bitcoin from altcoin, and this is positive and negative signal too. Positive because when when most of capital move in Bitcoin, that means the Bitcoin comes soon a big a leg up or a uptrend on Bitcoin because all the people going on in it. And the negative news is because all altcoins suffer then. And as we can see from yesterday, a lot of altcoin make a double-digit downtrend, and that was a bit hard. Now we check together again, inshallah. So let's have a look on 4 hour, and 4 hour is in range. You can see this is a whole range. Start from here, box. In Ichimoku we call it box range. So box range start from here and here. The price move in this area. When it break this area, this box range, then can jump up. So I think we have not a lot to talk about Bitcoin dominance because it's in range. Let's have a look on Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin, we can start from weekly because on weekly such a Sunday we have closed the weekly candle. So weekly, last week we have another high here on this candle. Now on weekly time frame we enter in blue area. That mean now the price take an action up or down. Because as I talk, this is according to time cycle. So time cycle here complete a one cycle. Now it's time to take a break, or it start pumping in next 1 2 3 5 weeks, next 5 weeks till end of December. So in end of December we can see a bit volatility according to weekly time frame, and we can print here another high, or we can go down to print another low too, because we have a high and now we can come down if start retracement, and we can touch this area here or this area here, 31,500,848. But as we now we look at on daily time frame, but here we have a positive signal too, because the cloud remain big cloud here, start a bit positive cloud too. The Chiku span closed outside of cloud, and that all signal are bullish, especially this one. This is a bullish signal here. So weekly we are good. We are good, and I think now from now, next 5 week we see a good movement. So let's have a look on daily. So on daily it's going down, and this is very normal movement. This is nothing big happened here. Why I said it this? Because as you can see here, the Bitcoin make a jump and then retrace, make a jump, then retrace, and make another jump and now retrace. That's a very normal retracement. It's not a downtrend. It's not a even it's not a it's not starting a retracement from here, because if cross this line, break and retest this line, this red line, one candle close under this line, and the next one retest it, then we can say okay, now is a retracement, start the retracement. But on daily, if retracement start, if we can see, we can say if the retracement start here, the retracement can come down till the yellow line. So this is 35,900, or so almost 36,000, and then we have another support, this one, the P wave. As I said before, this P wave, I sent already the message in a group that the price can touch here again, the third touch, and then bounce back upside. So at the moment we have all the signals, still till now we have all bullish signal. There is no bearish signal, and you can see, and then we can see that the cloud is very very big now, and that's a signal of a very stable uptrend. Downtrend, how I said before, downtrend start when we close a candle under this line, under yellow line, and then retest it out. For example, here we close our candle under the line, but the next one does not retest and goes up, straight up the next day. So I think nothing to worry. We have just a less movement, but we are still in healthy uptrend according to daily. And on 4 hour we can see is in range, but direction uptrend, is in range but direction uptrend. So I don't see any bearish signal till now. This is a very normal. Even now, if we can check if this high is a stable high and it maintain this high, then you can see we strict, we go here with the P wave. Yeah, we can go here with the P wave. The P wave is now the small P wave, and now the price touched here and trying to go up and break this time, I think so, because as you can see, higher highs and higher lows, that all the signal are for uptrend. But it is in crypto, so in crypto can happen everything. You can see the 100 signals that the price goes up, but suddenly you see 10% down. So according to technical analysis, we are in uptrend till now. This is just a small movements in range. And today a critical point we have this one here, 37,358, and that critical point move every day. So you have to check it on my Telegram group, and that's why the reason why you have to join my Telegram group, because there we update every day. The video now I do every 2 days. So Telegram every hour, every day we update Bitcoin status, and many I give many new signals on there, and then repeat it in my video. So critical point mean the price have to close today candle upper than 37,355. Yesterday critical point was 36,596 and the candle closed upper than this point. As you can see, yesterday critical point was here and today is here. So today candle must be closed upper than this line. Then we have a stable uptrend. Okay, so this was Bitcoin. Just have a look on 1 hour. Yeah, so 1 hour we have now nothing. We cross now here again. It's going down, but now is in range. It's coming down and now moving in a sideway. So Bitcoin is in range. Let's see today evening, I think after 6 o'clock, what it do. So let's check now the Ethereum. Ethereum is in the same movement. Let's change the check here. The Ethereum is also in a range, is not in downtrend, because the downtrend start if the price cross this level here or this level. Is in range, the same range, this one. And as we can see, this is a engulfing candle. We move just an inside one candle, this one, the whole movement, so is in range. Same thing on USDT. Ethereum USDT crossed many time our entry point and then come back again, return back. Here is cross here and then here. Now I think you are not in trade because we close it on break even, and then now we wait a signal for breakup, and then we can enter again. So this candle breaked our entry line and the next one is not, has not confirmed it. Now if this candle close upper here, upper the breakout candle, then we can look for entry. But I think to wait. I prefer to wait till the price does not cross which level. Yes, at least this level, 2053. When it cross 2053, we can look for, or even or it cross this line here, then we can look for entry again. So at the moment, no entries, we wait for entries. So the next one is total market cap. So total market cap is in uptrend. As you can see, we are upper than blue line too. Nothing to worry. The line is the Chico span is far away from candles. We have a very good cloud and the lines in right order. So total is safe too. Now we check together what happened with altcoins. So we start with AGX, and AGX, our signal reached almost the first ATP, but then it dropped down because the Bitcoin from 2 days it is in a bit downtrend, it is in retracement, a very small retracement. So that bring all the altcoin in downside, but now we can see a very good positive candle, and we have another 40 minutes. I think if it close here, then the price can go up. By the way, here on AGX we have not touched the entry area. So you can, if you want, if this candle break close here, we have just 8.47%. You can open the trade here, and the stop loss you can put on entry. and we can go up, because the next step is to break this yellow area. So RGX till now is safe. This AMP, okay, the AMP, we wait that it cross that line here, the side, the diagonal line. Then we take an entry, because at the moment it is in retracement under the blue line on daily. Check, under the blue line on daily, we sit on the yellow area. If it not break and the candle close upper than yellow area, then it is still valid trade, and we can take entry when the price cross this line here. And I forgot to put an alert on it, so we put an alert. So the next one is AR almost hit the stop loss, almost, but not. Let's check together. So we need to a big picture. So this is our stop loss updated. You can check, it comes down 2 times on the same place, 7.133, and bounce back. So our stop loss is still valid, and the price is I think it can go up. It's just in range, it's not in downtrend. But today candle has to close upper than this line, the yellow line. If today candle close upper this line, then we can open again another trade on it with the stop loss on the same place. So AR still safe in uptrend. And auction breaked. This we have not touched, because auction is now 92% in profit. It goes around, then up, then retrace a bit, and now up, and it can touch our the next take profit too. And I am sure in today we touch it. Until now the take profit is 100%. So someone move upside. So if you want to open a trade, but I prefer that we wait for it. If you want to open another trade here, you can open here, and the stop loss will be on this point, or for safe we can put here. So this is our second trade, and the second stop loss. Okay, so this is auction. The next one is blur. The blur is again on the entry point. So it goes up, and it goes up, and as you can see here, we bounced back from the entry point. So the trade is closed here because we have the stop loss on break even, and now it try again to go up. If this candle close positive, then you can open the next one, retest it, then you can open a trade with the stop loss on the same place. So we was up how much? We break here on this point, we was up 40%, and then it come down. Now we can open again the trade on it, and then the next step we have 53% profit from almost 45% profit if we start from here the trade. The stop loss is very small stop loss, and we can check it here. (2.70%). So with 2.70% stop loss, we can open a trade with 54% profit. So blur is good to open. The next one is C98. It has not touched the stop loss, and we are still safe on it. The trade is valid till now. Yes, because if we check on daily, we have here the lines are not in order, in right order. So I think we have to wait. We have to wait here. Don't open again the trade. We have closed up on break even, and the price bounced back from yellow area, but all the conditions are that the price remain in range at the moment, up and down, then break up. So we can open the trade when we have a very good signal. So I put here an alert, and if it is triggered, then I give in group the signal. So C98 we wait. Koti, the next one. So the Koti has not confirmed the entry, and it goes down and now bounce back exactly on stop loss. So if this candle remain a positive candle and the price break this area, then we can open again the trade. Again, we have now, because last was break and not retest. So Koti we wait. Dione not touch the entry level, so we remove it. The DOGE, same thing. We need here the tweet of Elon Musk, otherwise it continue moving on this area. AGLD break the upper side and now the downside. So I think now it is not more P wave, but it is not more P wave. No, we don't have any P wave now. So this is range now. This is range. And when we can open a trade, we can open a trade when the price cross this area here, this line here, with same stop loss. So at the moment nothing. So the next one is FTM. We have done first take profit here, and now the price continue going up and down, so no direction at the moment. We have closed here, we opened here again the trade, and now goes back, and yes, if the price close under this line, under the entry line to the daily candle, then we don't open more this trade, because the retracement can go more down. And if the price goes up to from here, and today price cross upper than 30, 0.3043 or 45, then we can look for an entry. But at the moment, no. GMT. So our last, when I give the signal, then it jumped up till 31% and now is in retracement. So the important thing is the price have to close upper than this line, here. Then we can consider it a valid signal. Otherwise, no more buy signal here, because we are under the yellow area, and if the price close under this line, then we can retrace. We can start the retracement. So till now, no trade in it. The next one is ID. So ID, the same thing. If you use my strategy, the thing is the price does not cross the entry line. But if you don't use my strategy and you enter when I give you a signal, the stop loss is hit it, and the stop loss was 5.22, is not too much. But now don't open the trade here. Because why? Because we have on daily the lines on the not right order. Check here. We have now the line here, the Chiku span is under the candle and the blue line is down and yellow is up. So that's the same situation on C98. So we have to wait when the daily candle close and where it close. The more important thing is the price. The Bitcoin price have to move. By the way, here I see not many good signals here. I have an alert on TIA. So let's check here. The TIA try to break now the entry level. So if it break, we have, if the daily candle close upper than entry level, then we can open a trade here on TIA. So the next one, the next one is IMX. IMX is doing good, and now it retest also the cloud. So that's very good movement. If today candle close upper than yellow line, here the yellow line, that mean if the price cross upper than 13589, then we can open again another trade on it, because we have already two trades, the first entry and the second entry. So IMX is still good. I have to do N wave on 4 hour. Okay, maybe I have to N wave on 4 hour. Yes, right. I have to do a N wave analysis on it. So this is right. I have to put here the blue. So the next one is INGEN. So ING, I said when the price crossed this line, we have to open the trade, but there was a horizontal line too. But at the moment, no, because it is under the yellow area and now under the our line. So this trade is not valid at the moment. We enter again if the price cross this line and retest. The next one is Kava. Kava, the same thing. We goes up 5%, no, 6.95%. Then we move the stop loss on entry, and now the price hit the stop loss, retest the stop loss, and now it's going down. So I think it can let's have a look on daily. So here we have death cross. Yes, we have death cross here, and the Chiku span is very near to candle. So if Bitcoin pump now, then the price can go up, but at the moment no trader. We have closed on break even. You have two chances. First one was here, and the second one when it retest. And we wait now till when the price cross and retest again that level, the entry, and retest this level here. I put here an alert. So the next one is like. So like, what has done the like? Let's have a look. Yes, like after going up, it has closed on break even 2. So now we are out from this trade, and we wait for security. We wait now this level. When the price break this level and cross upside, then we can open again. So the next one is Magic. So Magic has done the first trade, but now is not confirmed. As you can see, we retrace. Let's have a look on daily. I think now the price goes down. The price can go down. Okay, we have two supports. The first one is here, this blue line. This is Kijun-sen on weekly. So the price can touch here and go back. Or the second scenario is this one. Price can touch here and then goes up. There is a two possibilities. But now we open the trade when the price cross the yellow area, because we have already enough profit on it. We have 30% profit on it, alhamdulillah. So now we wait for it cross the yellow area. The next one is MATIC. So MATIC, I said before that the price can go down. I said here, go down, up, then down again, and now we have almost a double top bottom. It can go more down. Yes, it can go more down now. So MATIC can go down till here. Now more down. So I think we have closed already. Yes, of course, we have closed the two trade we have closed on MATIC. So it can retrace now, and the retracement can come down till here. Till here. Now down till here and then up again. So at the moment, no chance to open a new trade. The next one is near. So near done at completed the retracement. So, and we have here the resistance, double resistance, and then the yellow area. So I think if the price break this line, then we can close the trade because our entry is here. But I think now it bounced back. The near is safe. The next one is NEXO. NEXO after giving us a good profit. Now the price goes down and retest the yellow area. If it break the yellow area, then it can go down more till here or over the cloud and then back. But at the moment is in retracement. So when it break again the yellow area, then we can open again the trade. So at the moment we have done here, alhamdulillah, 300%. The next one is ORD. The ORD, our ORD is going down, touch the stop loss area. We are out from here because we opened the trade here and then closed here. Another open here and then close here on break even. So now again, if the price cross The price can go down now till here too. The price can go down till here or here. Yes. So I have to put an alert on it here. Now move down here. Yes. I put an alert in it because if when the price touch this area can bounce back, and from here we can open again the trade. This is a valid trade. If the price does not come down and break the yellow line and cloud on 4 hour, then we can open the trade also here. This is a valid entry point. But if not, then the price come down till this point and then we can bounce back. So OD at the moment we wait. The next one is PHB. Now it try again. The PHB try again. Just a second, I have to close this one. Okay, the price try to break again this area. So I think I see the movement is started a bit. And in many coin we try to break on the Syncospan B or on daily the yellow line. If it is successful to break this line, the blue line, sorry, then if today candle close upper than blue line, then we can open all the trades tomorrow. But we have to wait for confirmation because you can see here 2 times the price goes up and then down. So we have to wait till the price today candle is closed. So this is PHB. No, sorry, PHB. We was looking on it, and I look. Okay, so this is PHB. So PHB now cross the entry slowly. This is our entry, and if it cross and retest, then we can open again the trade. The trade is valid on it. So the next one is Rio. So Rio bounced back here. You see exactly on this level, when the price touched this level, how much volume was inside. So this was a very good point to buy, but we have not enough confirmations to buy it here. So what we can do, because we see on 4 hour we see all the lines that they say us that is in downtrend. So for sure, for a secure entry, we put an alert on stop loss because this is a key area, and if the price touch and cross this area, then we can look for an entry on Rio. The next one is Rose. I think this time it break. So we have done on Rose 104% on our last trade, so we can close it. And this is our reminder memory that we have done a trade on it. Now this take profit become now the entry point. This take profit is now entry point. Why don't give me the level here? So Now this become our entry point. It has not touched the yellow line, so I think we have to wait, because the price can go down again and touch this area. By the way, this is our entry point, and the stop loss will be here. This is our stop loss, and the next target sorry, and the next target is here. So in rows you can see our strategy very clear. Many traders, what they do, they buy a rose and hold it. But we buy a rose with our initial $100. Then the price goes up. Here we have another $100, $104. We close a trade. We put the $100 on at side, and now we open again the trade when the price cross here in with another $100. and and from this level, if we hit again the take profit, we have 57. When it touch this level, we close again the trade. We put our profit on side, and we wait till it break the yellow line, and then we can enter again with our 100. We use our 100, but we have already 152 on the side to for investing in other coins, because in crypto you don't know when the price dump, and when the price dump, it dump hard, and you can lose all your gain what you have. But now the price can dump, no problem. We have our profit. This one, we double our money, and now we use this money, the profit we can use in other coins. And if you hold, you cannot do this. You have to wait till it goes a high level. So that's why I say, don't hold cryptos, just trade it. So the next one is sand. So sand is in retracement, and is upper than our entry level. What we can do, we can hold it, and the stop loss we put here. Now the next one is CRCT, another jump. We have on right, we have another breakout here, and if this breakout is successful, is break and retest, then we can open again the trade here. So SCRT is valid trade. Sai, good, it going up and down, but we have done two take profit, 51% profit we have done already, and now we wait for the next. If I have to do here again the wave analysis, I have to do here. And then next one is SKL. So SKL, I give the prediction or forecast. Prediction is a bit not good word. A forecast that the price can bounce back from here or from here. Now that this line is not more valid, and we wait till the price break, touch this line, and then goes up. We put, by the way, for security, we put an alert on it here too, because this is a very very important level. And why this is a important level, I have, because many time I do the analysis, but I don't put any I don't put any reason on it, the lines. By the way, that was just the entry. So the entry we can take from here, or if the price goes down from here, and if the price goes up, then from here. This 3 point. If price goes down and bounce back from here, then we open the entry, and if not, then the price can go down, more down till here, on this point, here, and then we can open again. But at the moment I have all at here and here. In both side we will open the trade, inshallah. The next one is SNX. SNX now is under the yellow area, and from first entry we are safe. You can put the stop loss on entry, and the second entry was not successful but is still valid. The second entry you can take when the price cross and retest this area again, this line 3.455. Solana is in range, and we still have our entry, we still have our stop loss on entry, and we hold this trade. So this is still valid. The storage does not confirm the entry, and even it is going down from our diagonal line. So this trade is at the moment is not valid. But when the price cross this line, we can open the trade. No. Sorry, yeah. Yes, right. When the price cross this line and retest, then we can open a trade. The next one is SUI. SUI come on our break even, and we have closed here the trade because we put the stop loss on entry, and now we have closed. So now you wait. If this candle, normally we close when the candle close under this level, but for security you close this trade now and wait for the next 4-hour candle. If it retest up, then you can open again, or you can leave it with the stop loss under this line. Now you can, if you have still opened this trade, you can put the stop loss on 0.5640 and you can hold it. Otherwise, retest, break and retest, then you can open again the trade. Yeah. The next one is super. So the super has not confirmed our entry, but just now it touched again the entry area. The strategy is same one. It is in stable uptrend, and if the price cross and retest this area, then we can open again the trade. The next is SUSHI. The SUSHI make the same thing. See, the SUSHI, we close the trade here. Now again it break, retest, then we open the trade, and now we are up from our entry, and this is now our stop loss, this line. And if you have stop loss here, you have your trade is still valid. And now I think this time it break. This was the first try, and now the second try it break. So SUSHI is still good, and we can open again the trade when it cross here. I will give the signal in the group. The next one is sign. Not confirm the entry, so nothing to do. We have the alert on it. We put an alert and we move it. Yes, right. The next one is TLC. TLC is just going up. This is the best coin, and it does not come down. It's going up, just up. The next one is TRB, or TRB looking bad, because now TRB can go down and we can open a trade from here. This is not more valid. Now our trade can start from by the way, now is on the good point. now is on the good point here. So the second trade you can open here, and the stop loss will be here. Whether it has here the strong support. So, or we can do this here. If the price cross this line, oh, this entry and retest, then you can open the trade on TRB, because here is a very good point to bounce back. TRX, first entry is valid. From the first entry we have done 2 time of almost 12%. The price continue going up and down, and we put the stop loss here always, not here, because the price can go down, touch the yellow area, down again, and then go up, retest it. So the second entry, let's have a look. The second entry we can put here. This is our second entry. So this is TRX. The next one is UNFI. Oh, UNFI has done almost. So another take profit on round figure. Check on the 15.00. This was our first trade, and this was here our second trade. So we have done here 74% from first entry and 31% from second entry. And now you can open again the trade here. If you have missed this trade, then you can open now. It's big. If the candle close here, the positive candle, you can open again the trade here. And the stop loss will be here, the same place. The next one is WLD, wild. Dropped a lot. It goes up from our entry 21% and then down, boom. But it sit on the cloud and it has not touched our entry point. So that's mean it is still valid. You can hold this trade. But the stop loss put here on the entry point. Because if not, 8.30, well, I think you can hold this trade with the same stop loss, because this is our second trade. In last trade we have done 53%, so we can risk a bit. There is just 8.31%. So if the price goes down, price can go down till here, and then bounce back. So we hold this trade with the same stop loss. The next one is XRP. We wait till it break the yellow area. Nothing to do till now. The next one is YGG. YGG crossed, but we close it on the break even, and now we wait till it cross again the entry area. Yes, right, entry area, and then we enter again on it. So at the moment, no entry. The next one is SIL. We have done. So the next trade we wait here. And the other one is USTC. We tried to take an entry on it, but if you can see, it has not confirmed our entry. It has not even closed the candle upper then. But if you have the entry on it and you don't use my first strategy and you use the second one, then the trade is also closed, because it hit the stop loss. Now when we can open another trade on it, that's a question. So we can open the trade when the price cross. So this is not more valid. We can open a trade when the price cross this line, and we can put the stop loss here. Yes, right. So I put here an alert, and I will give you an alert when it cross here the. So let's have a look. Someone asked me about cyber. We can check fastly the cyber because I have a request on it on cyber USDT. So cyber we have an trade. So the cyber, but it's not looking good. The same thing here too. We wait it cross and retest this area, and then we can take entry. So at the moment no entry, and the trade is still valid. When it triggered the entry level, then I give the signal in the group, but at the moment no, it sit exactly on stop loss. It's very important area in the stop loss. Now the stop loss, the by the way, we can move it a bit, we can change it. This trade we can change a bit here. So entry will be now here on this level. So this is cyber. So guys, I think I do all the analysis and I have to start the work now. So I close here the today video analysis. I think I have covered all the things. So please don't close your trades in loss. I think the Bitcoin has done all the retracement. Now it can start again upside, and we can see a good movement soon. So till the next video, please take care, and if you like the video, like, share, hit that like button, share and subscribe my channel, and we can see on next video, I think tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So till there, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.